All right, who do we have here?
Mike. Ron. Lee.
What are we doing today, boys?
Jumping.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers? You trust me to throw you out? We just met.
I trust you.
Yeah, it's creepy, huh? You haven't even met your guy yet.
No.
You're going with Mike.
Yes.
You got the short stick. So, last words, final comments, confessions before we go? No?
Nope.
We celebrate anything?
My birthday.
How old?
80.
We don't make it to 81. No last words, final comments, or confessions, huh?
It is what it is.
It's always the same for me. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, buried in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. High five. Let's go rock a skydive, boys. Here we go.
All right.
Yeah. All right, boys. We're at the airplane. You ready to get in, get up, get out of the thing, grab some fun in the sky?
Yeah. Go rock and
Woo.
Do it.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, just getting out of the plane's the hard part.
Yeah.
You just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part, the
Yep.
turns.
The turns?
Definitely the turns.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, once the chute opened, it got like really quiet.
Yeah, slow it down a lot.
Yeah, so it's definitely, that was the good part.
Hell yeah, would you do it again?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's what we like to hear. Thank you for jumping with us, dude.
All right, thank you, Travis.